What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we are Juan, Marcel, and Rhylan. And this week we're coming to you from our new home, London. So we're starting the day off with a little brekkie. This place is called Bill's. It's like really pretty inside, really beautiful ambiance and stuff. Fancy, fancy looking. I got this really beautiful turmeric latte. It smells amazing. It looks insane.
We both got avocado toast
with smoked salmon. We chose this place because it's right across the street from our new agency, Nevs, and we're headed in there right after this to meet our agents for the first time. And we have a casting. This agency is just beautiful. What the heck? She has her book. I'm gonna get mine.
Oh yeah.
With a comp card.
That's me, baby.
All official. Look at my baby. We left the agency. All of our agents are super nice.
Yeah, awesome.
Amazing energy. And we had our first casting already there in the office for Tommy Hilfiger. And it was the first time we got to go in together.
Yes. Which was so nice, took all the pressure off.
Yeah, so that went really well. And now we're on our way to the next one.
Yep.
So we stopped off for a little lunch. If you've ever been to New York or anywhere in Europe, you know of this place, Joe and the Juice.
They have the best sandwich. It's called
spicy tuna. It's literally just tuna, Tabasco, smashed avocado, jalapenos, but the bread is the secret. Oh. We have 2 more castings to head to today. We're gonna go together.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go back home.
And hopefully, I'll get to nap. Because the jet lag is hitting me.
The jet lag is real right now. As soon as we finish the castings, it's a blur what happened after that. We were in a coffee shop, and I was just falling asleep while trying to drink coffee. And we just decided we're gonna go home.
But we made it.
We made it, and we immediately fell asleep from like 5 to 1 in the morning, which is now 1 in the morning.
But we got food.
Got some food. We're probably gonna be up for the rest of the night until tomorrow.
Yeah.
we got a full 8 hours of sleep. We're gonna eat, watching some Squid Game. If you know, you know. And we'll pick back up tomorrow. Good morning! So, Rhylan has a few castings today, but other than that, we are pretty free. So we want to do some sightseeing today.
Yes, we did.
And you're coming with us. So the first place that we want to see is kind of obvious. I mean, where would you want to see first? This reminds me of when I saw the White House in person.
I have never seen the White House in person.
I've seen it.
That's besides the point.
And what I'm saying is, you get there and you're like, holy crap, that's pretty cool that she lives in there, or he in the White House, but the Queen lives in there. But then you realize...
They're never there.
No.
Oh.
Well, that too.
And there's a bunch of little men stomping around out front. That's
oh
all
yeah,
that's
the freaking guards here. The guards have to like keep watch, but very royally. So they're like stomping.
Yeah, but I'm just
with
like,
the fuzzy hats
what's the
and the knives.
Why? They couldn't just be a human being. They have to be a robot.
I'm gonna go up and tickle one.
Yeah, that would
just,
not
like,
go well.
No.
I don't think you can touch them.
No, I don't think you can either. But
then they're legally allowed.
I'm willing to go to prison to try.
To British prison.
British prison. I got put on bag duty now, I guess.
Yes, he did. He always is.
Yeah.
Just kidding. But anyways, the Queen's Palace, or Buckingham Palace, is actually right near Soho, which we've heard is a really, really cool area. So we're gonna check it out.
friend. Sun goes down but we get back again. Trouble is a silly thing, it always ends up breaking, but everything still works out in the end.
What you have to do with dim sum is you poke a hole, you let the soup like kind of come out.
That's not with dim sum, that's with dumplings, right?
Or, no, this is dim sum. With dim sum.
Okay.
And you poke it, you let the soup run out, and then you eat it. And then you drink the soup.
You ready? Cheersies. Oh my god.
That's so good.
Oh wow. So, Chinatown in London, Soho.
Amazing.
So far, so good. It's already dark. We were just talking about this. The sun rises super late here,
Yeah.
like 9 a.m.
Yeah, like 8.
Yeah, and then it sets at like 6.
Yep.
So you get about 2 minutes of sunlight. But yeah, we're here. We're just checking out the London Eye.
And then we're gonna go to Big Ben,
Big Ben.
which is under construction, but we want to see it.
Yeah, from here it looks like it's under construction. I'm hoping we get there and all the scaffolding magically disappears. There she is.
In all of her glory.
Look at the scaffolding.
She's not quite beautiful as she should be.
Shall we do a little Airbnb tour?
Yes, please.
We haven't done that yet. So you come down the stairs.
These are the stairs right here.
And then this is our living room right off the bat.
This is the nice living space, and that turns into a bed, I think.
Put on our shows at
TV.
night.
And this turns into a little table area. And it goes down, so the living space is bigger.
Then we get the kitchen, which here in the UK they always have their washer dryer in the kitchen. So we got that. We got a small little fridge. It's our only problem with this place. But then we have the bathroom. It's really nice in here. Go out.
Yeah, it's nice and
Clean.
yeah, it looks so clean because the white walls and everything.
And it is clean. I mean,
Yeah, it is clean. We clean it.
don't need to show the toilet. Show the toilet. And then we get the bedroom. This little sliding door. It's so beautiful in here. I love this.
Yeah, they really did a good job decorating.
You can do a lot with the space. Like, you can see all the storage. We have gym clothes in there, shoes, all of our clothes up here hung up,
And
pants.
pants down
We
there.
have all of our suitcases in there.
Mm-hmm.
And we got a cozy bed.
Oh, don't get on it with your dirty clothes.
That's true. Alright, so part of the requirements of getting into the UK right now is that you need to take a COVID test on day 2.
Drop mine on the floor.
That's a good start. And if you're not fully vaccinated, you need to take another one on day 8. But we're fully vaccinated, so this is the last one we need to take. And we had to book this before we came here, and it was way too expensive and overpriced.
Way too expensive. It was like what, 200 for the both of us.
$220 something for both of us to get this.
Can we just talk about how big
They're
This
huge.
is the
These are
biggest-
the biggest ones.
I've ever seen?
This is
gonna touch my brain.
They're telling us that this needs to go in the back of our throat and also in our nose.
I'm using a I'm using an eyeshadow thing to do it.
You really doing it?
That was really easy. So, onto the nose. How far back do we have to go?
Oh.
Oh god. You don't have to touch it really hard. Just
Does it say that?
yeah. Obviously don't. And then I'm gonna go into my nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah. That's enough.
Alright. Here they are. Mailing these off on Royal Mail.
Hopefully we're all good. Just another anxious 2 days of not knowing.
I'm sick of these tests.
Me too. Good morning, guys. I just got out of the shower, drinking some green juice. Juan is not with me right now because he left to a casting about like an hour ago. And so I'm gonna get ready and meet him. I'm ready. How do we like the fit? Very cute, very cute. But anyways, I am now going to be on my way because he's probably going to be done with this casting in like any minute now, and I'm going to be very late.
Look what the cat dragged in. I missed you guys. So we're here at this restaurant for lunch called, what was it called? Bardo? Bardo. Super cool ambiance, and the food is amazing so far. I just came from a casting for Calvin Klein, and I was so nervous. It's my first one in a while, like serious one by myself. It really hit when I was in the waiting room and I saw Calvin Klein. There was all the signing in and all the other models there. They had me trying on different clothes, doing walks. So it's gonna take a while to get used to this again. We got the prime rib for 2. It's got a soy glaze, greens. Good. Your first ride on a double-decker.
It was awesome.
We've been trying to make our way to Hyde Park, the famous Hyde Park in London. We finally did it. As soon as we get here, I get an email that I need to go into the agency to take digitals. So, we're gonna freaking walk through this thing. This place is beautiful.
It's so pretty. It's huge.
It's massive. It reminds me a lot of Central Park.
Yeah. We biked around Central Park, one of our first
dates, really?
It wasn't really our first. It kind of was, actually.
Yeah, because we were long distance and she had flown out to New York to visit me.
Yeah.
And one of the first dates that we went on was riding bikes around Central Park. So this is reminding us of that.
It's giving us a little bit of a flashback, and it's so cute.
So we just finished at the agency. That was really quick. Just jumped in there, got my digitals done. They're trying to debate whether I should shave my head or not.
Yeah, and I say no.
And I say no. And one of the bookers says she loves my hair. And then the other 2, which are mostly the commercial ones who do the
econ
money jobs, they're like, dude, shave it, you'll make money right away. And so it's tough, but whatever. Now we're here at the next landmark we wanted to check out, Harrods. We got to get her a Harrods bag. So let's discuss what we saw in there.
Yeah.
First of all, look at how big the whole store is.
It looks like Disneyland in there, and outside of it.
And it goes all the way down that way. So it's a big freaking castle, basically. It's 6 stories, actually 7 if you count the lower one.
Yeah.
So 7 stories. Each one has a dedicated purpose. Like, lower story was just Christmas stuff. First story was like a big dining hall. They had like sushi, oysters, and caviar.
And it was like a luxury store. It was like more like luxury purses and accessories and stuff.
Second floor
was women's wear.
It was all like Celine, Chloe, literally like every designer brand you could ever dream of seeing.
Yeah.
For women. And then the third floor was for men. And I was just in heaven over there.
Yeah. And then 4th was kids, like toys and stuff. And then 5th was shoe heaven.
No, 5th was home decor and stuff.
Okay. And then 6th
was shoe heaven. And we went in there trying to get our freaking bags, Harrods bags, because literally when we were at the immigration to get into London, the guy was like, you make sure you get a Harrods bag. So it was a little out of our price range.
Yeah, we obviously couldn't buy anything luxury.
So we got tea,
honey.
We got honey, and rose petal jam.
Yep, so we're gonna go home and
we're gonna get a taste of the good life tonight. What do you want to try first, the tea or the toast?
Definitely the toast.
I know, the toast looks freaking amazing. Rose petal jam, right?
Yeah, I'm so excited. But I'm nervous. I'm nervous it's not going to live up to my expectations.
Oh my god.
It's so good. Oh, that's the best jam I've ever had.
This is the best jam.
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
Mmm. The honey's good
With
though.
the honey, yeah.
We're officially Londoners now.
Mm-hmm.
We drink tea and eat jam with toast at night. Right now, I want you guys to congratulate Rhylan in the comments because she got her first booking coming up on Monday. She had a job confirmed for Boohoo. If you know Boohoo, you know. So she's working with them on Monday, modeling. So I'm very proud of her. You guys let her know in the comments how proud you are of her too. Thanks for tuning in to our first London vlog. We love and appreciate you guys, and we'll see you next week.